Introduction. Namaskar. Maharashtra state welcomes you from bottom of our heart. We feel proud to present to you the cultural lifeline of Maharashtra folk song, Povada the Ballad. Even if Maharashtrians are seen in different parts of the world, they always admire their own culture. They love their own folk art. Whenever they listen to the sweet rhymes from Povada, their mind, soul, body craves to be a part of it. We are presenting here one of the famous program of folk song, Povada. Folk song Povada Ballad has been deeply rooted in the hearts of local people. It has entertained people from ancient times and flourished folk culture. We are aware that the prosperity of folk song Povada Ballad is in our artists' hands. It has been one of the core elements in Maharashtrian folk art. We are very proud of it. Thank you. History of Povada Ballad from folk art form. It is a spontaneous song which has strong feelings, courageous act, aggressive language, romanticism, drama, comedy as well as tragedy. Pravad in Sanskrit means detailed report. Povada, Old Marathi means extension, capacity, courage, valor, and appreciation. Three classes of Povada. Gondali community constructed Povadas on gods, goddesses, and pilgrimage in first type. In the second type, Bhat or Bandi constructed Povadas appreciating kings in his court. The third and latest class is called Shahir. अज्ञानदास, तुलसीदास, महात्मा फुले, सावरकर, दलवी, खाडिलकर, नानिवडेकर, ठोसर, जामखेडकर, अमर शेख, अण्णाभाऊ साठे, गवानकर, आत्माराम पाटील, पिराजी नाईक, दादा कोंडके, शाहीर साबले, शाहीर फरांदे are some of the strong promoters of this art form. In olden days, the singers, composers were illiterate, so Povada had no position in advanced literature. The research of Kinkade Saheb, Akbar Saheb, Shaligram, Y.N. Kelkar, Sahasrabuddhe, Bhave, etc. attracted attention of admirers of Marathi literature. Independence movement, Shahir spread national awareness.
भानुदास विष्णू गायकवाड. संगीत प्रत्येकालाच आवडतं. त्यातून हे लोकसंगीत, हे मूळचं इथल्या मातीतलं संगीत हे मुळापासून माझ्यामध्ये होतं. समाज हा आपला गुरु असतो. बरोबर. म्हणजे हा समाज आपल्याला काहीतरी करायला शिकवत असतो. हे माझी आवड वाढत. लोककला प्रकार सादर करत असताना मी ज्यावेळेला हे प्रकार सादर करत असतो त्यावेळेला माझं एक वैशिष्ट्य म्हणत होतं की हा कला प्रकार सादर करत असताना मी कुठला तरी एक चांगला विचार देऊन जातो समाजाला. बरोबर. त्यामध्ये अंधश्रद्धा असेल, वृक्षारोपण असेल, स्त्री भ्रूण हत्या असेल, व्यसनाधीनता असेल, याच्यावर लोकांना प्रबोधन करत असतो. कालावधी जाईल कसं आहे का माहिती, हे चक्र फिरत असतं. आता जागतिकीकरणाच्या नावामुळं जे विविध कला प्रकार आपल्याला बघायला मिळतात, पाश्चात्य देशातील आपल्याला कला प्रकार पाहायला मिळत आहेत आणि थोडासा ह्या लोककलेकडे बघण्याचा समाजाचा दृष्टिकोन थोडासा बदलला. पूर्वी जे या लोककला प्रकाराचे कार्यक्रम व्हायचे ते पूर्वीचे कार्यक्रम आणि आत्ताचे कार्यक्रम, आता जवळपास कार्यक्रमाला ते मागणी फार कमी आणि हे कलाकार मिळणं बी थोडंसं दुर्लभ असतं. कारण किती ताकदीचं आहे हा समोरचा श्रोता ठरवत असतो.
बरोबर आहे.
आपण राष्ट्रीय पातळीवर त्याची निवड व्हावी, लोकांना जास्तीत जास्त प्रबोधन व्हावं म्हणून आपण अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीने ते लिहिलेलं आहे. पण ते किती ताकदीचं आहे हा श्रोता ठरवणार आहे आणि श्रोता ते नक्की पसंत करेल याची मला खात्री आहे.
विभागामध्ये मी स्त्री भ्रूण हत्या हे गाणं सादर केलं. बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढाओ अर्थात लेख वाचवा लेख शिकवा हे गाणं मी सादर केलं. आता मी तुमच्या समोर एक छक्कडी सादर करणार आहे. माझी महिना गावाकडे राहिली, माझ्या जीवाची होती अकायली. माझी महिना गावाकडे राहिली, माझ्या जीवाची होती अकायली.
Situation of Povara nowadays. It is original Marathi poetry. It deals with courage of warriors, intelligence of wise men, qualities, skills and social awareness. The song was full of valor. Composers, listeners and Shahir all were learned and courageous people. Nowadays, due to modern technology, the folk art is on verge of extinction. People entertain themselves at home by various means of entertainment through internet. Their view has changed and audience is decreasing day by day. The folk art culture is outdated. Which community participates in it? In ancient times, people used to sing songs, ovi, while making flour. They sang songs, bhalari, while working in the fields. The common man who toils in fields, works on farms, those who wanted to get some entertainment and distress after day's work. That means each unit of the society and community participated in it. Why is this folk art form selected? Shahir used Povara as means of creating national awareness during freedom struggle. They used a mixture of prose and poetry to enlighten the masses through entertainment. It is the most effective medium to communicate with people when compared to other folk art forms. This form is selected to focus on social and relevant problems such as superstitions, caste discrimination, plantation, environmental awareness, addictions, saving and educating girl child, etc. Difficulties in presentation of Povara. Students learn film songs and famous songs like Shantabai easily, but it was difficult for them to learn and present Povara. High-pitched and controlled strong voice, jhil or jhilkari, singing patterns at the end of each charan, that is stanza, were difficult to practice and sing in proper way. It was not easy to select such artists. Important factors such as proper pronunciation, stress, intonation, expressions, presentation techniques, melody, it's had to be focused with their effects. Proper guidance and training was given to the artists. In which situation this particular folk art is presented. Povara was used as means of creating national awareness during freedom struggle. Povaras are presented nowadays on Independence Day and Republic Day celebrations to revive our past history. Students should know the valor of courageous men and women from our golden history. So Povara must be sung on birth and death anniversaries of great personalities. In the same way, it should be used to create awareness about superstitions, caste system, environmental awareness, addictions, saving and educating girl child in the society. What are the outcomes of this project? Help to prevent female foeticide, help to maintain gender equality, caste discrimination and addiction can be focused, removal of blind beliefs and superstitions, help to build national integration, protection and prosperity of traditional cultural folk